Hi friends, this is Miss Courtney and I wanted to share an activity that you can try at home. Are you ready? You want to see what I have? The first thing I have is this really big container. Can you see what's inside this big container? That's water. You see? I can splash it around. I think we need a little bit more water. Do you want to help me pour it in? Look, I brought more water in my pitcher. And now I'm going to pour. Ready, set, go. Can you see the bubbles down at the bottom when I pour the water in? It's all gone. My pitcher is empty now. And now we have enough water in the container. So I want to know, can you find the top of the water? Yeah, it's right up here. That's the top. And where's the bottom? Yeah, it's right down here. There's the bottom. The top and the bottom. Top, bottom. Okay, we're gonna do a really fun activity. I brought some things from school and I found some things in my house. And we're gonna try these things out and we're gonna see if they sink down, 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 down to the bottom, or if they float up, up on top. Are you ready? Let's see what we have. What's this? Yeah, it's a spoon. Do you think it's gonna sink down to the bottom or float on the top? Let's find out. Do you see it? It's up here on top. It's floating. It's floating on the top. Should we try something else? Let's see what else we have. What's this? Oh, it's a monster truck. Do you think it's going to sink down to the bottom or float on the top? Let's find out. Ready, set, go. Oh, what happened? It sank down to the bottom, all the way down on the bottom. Should we try something else? Look what else I have. Look at this. It's a unicorn and it's squishy. Squish. Do you see that? Do you think it'll sink down to the bottom or will it float on the top? Let's find out. Ready, set, go. Do you see it up here? It's floating on the top. Okay, let's try something else. That's a dinosaur. You ready, dinosaur? Let's see if you sink to the bottom or float on the top. The dinosaur sank down to the bottom. Do you see it right there? Okay. What's this? That's an apple. Let's try the apple. Ready? Did you see that? At first it sank down to the bottom, but then it floated back up to the top. Now it's floating on the top. All right, what's next? Look what this is. A penny. A shiny penny. You ready to see what happens to the penny? We'll see if it floats on the top or sinks to the bottom. Ready? It went down to the bottom. It sank to the bottom. What about these glasses? Let's see what happens to the glasses. Ready, set. They're floating on the top. Okay, next I have some keys. Keys. Let's see what happens to the keys. Ready, set, go. They sank to the bottom, all the way down to the bottom. What about this? This is a block. And look, it has the letter O. The letter O is on this block. Are you ready to see if it sinks to the bottom or floats on the top? Here we go. It's floating on the top. All right, let's see what's next. Look, it's a little sheep. Let's see if the sheep floats on the top or sinks to the bottom. Ready, set, It floated on the top. Look, it's floating around in there. Okay, you see what I have next? This is a ball. You want to see something special about this ball? I'm going to bounce it on the floor. Oh, it didn't do it. There we go. This ball lights up. Should we see if it floats on the top or sinks to the bottom? Ready, set, go. Whoa! First it sank down to the bottom and then it slowly went up, up, up. Okay, last thing. I have a jar. This is a jar I had in my house. Let's see what happens to the jar. Ready? It's floating. It's floating on the top. Well, how did you like that activity? You should try it at your house and then let me know what you think. All right, bye.